Welcome everyone. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the like button and also press the bell notification icon for upcoming notifications. So today we will see that how translation can be done using Python language. So if you are not well in English, then you can use this to translate the sentences so that you can understand those sentences. So let's start. So first we need a module called translate for translation. Second, we have to assign the languages from which we can change one language to another. That is, we have to mention two languages. One is from and one is for to. After setting up the languages, we have to pass the text. We have to pass the text so that the text will be translated, and after that we have to print the text. We need only 4 lines of code. That is, first we have to import translate, and also first we need to install this module. After that we will write just 4 lines of code to translate a sentence from any language to any language बिल्कुल अच्छे तरह से. So let's see this in our Python IDE, that is PyDroid. If you haven't seen or know about PyDroid, then you can see my first video how to run Python on Android, so that you can able to do this on your phone, because most of the time you will be with your phone and you often have to search in Google Translate. So if you do this in your Python, then you have better understanding of Python, and also you know about this library, that is translate library, and you doesn't require internet connection. So let's do it in our Python library. So we are in our PyDroid and we have to click in this horizontal bar. After that we have to go to pip and write here translate and press on install to install the translate module. It will take few seconds to install. So here we see that complete prompt is come, so that it indicates that it had been installed. So let's write the code. First of all we have to write from translate import translator. The T is capital here, and after that we move to the second line, in which we have to mention the languages we want to use. So we have to again write the translator. We call the translator method under this, and first of all we have to give from language from which we want to change. From language I take here as English, and after that we have to give two language to which we want to change. So two language we will give here, I will take it as Hindi, and after that we move to the third line. We have to take a variable as run. You can take any. I am selecting here run, and we have to write s dot translate, and we have to mention the text here. So I am writing my name is, I have done a mistake, my name is Varun, and after that we have to print this variable, and we run it, and you can see that it will taking time some, and here it has translated मेरा नाम है वरुण. I have made this single line, and you can see that here is some marginal error, so I can change this statement and see that we get marginal error in all those lines or not. We take a sample text here. I am going to school, and run it, and we see that here it writes Hindi, means something wrong is here. So we take my name is Varun Mishra, and here we see that it had printed मेरा नाम वरुण मिश्रा है. And we take another example and adding more sentence to this. I am pursuing, I am doing nothing. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से काम कर रही है. If you benefited anything by learning or viewing this video, then please press the subscribe button. Thank you.